Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable auto download option in WhatsApp. So we are going to disable auto download of audio files, photos, videos and documents. So after disable this option, you can download photos, audio, document, videos manually. So we are in setting. So open WhatsApp setting and then you see multiple option. Now you see storage and data. So click on it. So we are in storage and data and then you see media auto download. Voice messages are always auto downloaded. Now you see two options. When using mobile data, all media. When connected on Wi-Fi, all media. So we are going to disable it. So click on when using mobile data. Okay. Now you see when connected on Wi-Fi, all media. So click on it. Uncheck photos, audio, videos, documents and then click on OK. So after that, when any person send you any file, that file cannot be downloaded auto. So this will increase WhatsApp security also. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.